Hey there, everybody! Today we're diving into the age-old dilemma of renting versus buying a home. Is it better to rent and enjoy the freedom to move, or to take the plunge into homeownership? Choosing between renting and buying is a deeply personal decision. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The key is to arm yourself with the right information and weigh the pros and cons carefully. We'll break it down together step by step. Ultimately, the goal is to empower you to make an informed decision that aligns with your unique circumstances. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Let's start with renting, an option that offers incredible flexibility and freedom. When you rent, you're not tied down to one place. You can easily move to a new city for a job opportunity or simply for a change of scenery. Renting can be a fantastic option for those who thrive on change or haven't quite settled down yet. Another great thing about renting is that you're generally not responsible for major repairs or maintenance. If the roof starts leaking or the plumbing goes haywire, it's usually the landlord's responsibility to fix it. Of course, renting isn't without its drawbacks. One major downside is that you're not building equity in a property. Rent prices can also fluctuate, making it challenging to budget and plan for the future. However, for many, the benefits of flexibility and freedom outweigh these concerns. Renting allows you to experience different neighborhoods and lifestyles without long-term commitment. You can personalize your space to make it feel like home, even if it's temporary. Ultimately, renting can be a great choice for those who value adaptability and ease of living. Now, let's shift gears and talk about buying a home. It's a significant milestone in many people's lives. Homeownership has long been considered a cornerstone of the American dream, symbolizing success and stability. One of the most significant advantages of buying a home is that it allows you to build equity, which can be a powerful financial asset. As you pay down your mortgage each month, you're gradually increasing your ownership stake in the property, which can provide a sense of accomplishment and security. When you buy, a portion of your monthly mortgage payment is going towards building wealth, rather than paying rent to a landlord. Over time, your equity grows, and you're building a valuable asset that can appreciate in value, potentially providing a return on investment. Another major perk of homeownership is stability. You have a permanent place to call home, which can be especially comforting for families. You have the freedom to create a space that truly reflects your personality and style, making it uniquely yours. Of course, buying a home isn't without its challenges. The process can be stressful and time-consuming. The most significant hurdle for many is the upfront cost, including the down payment, closing costs, property taxes, and homeowners insurance, which can be substantial. Homeowners are also responsible for all maintenance and repairs, which can add up quickly. However, the long-term benefits often outweigh these challenges, making homeownership a worthwhile investment for many. Section 4. Finding your path. Factors to guide your decision. How do you decide whether renting or buying is right for you? Consider your financial situation, lifestyle, and long-term goals. Are you someone who thrives on change, or do you crave stability? Do you plan on staying in the same area for the foreseeable future, or are you open to relocating? If you're settled in your career and plan on staying put, buying a home could be a smart investment. Section 5. Crunching the numbers. Financial implications. When comparing the financial implications of renting versus buying, look beyond the monthly payments. Consider the hidden costs and long-term financial impact of each option. Renting might seem cheaper in the short term, but you're not building equity or benefiting from potential appreciation in property value. Over time, this can mean missing out on significant financial gains. Buying a home can be a significant investment and an opportunity to build wealth over time. As property values increase, so does your investment. There are also tax benefits associated with homeownership that can save you money in the long run. These can include deductions on mortgage interest and property taxes. To make a truly informed decision, consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation. They can help you assess your current financial situation and guide you toward the option that aligns best with your long-term financial goals. This includes evaluating your income, expenses, and future financial plans. Don't be afraid to ask questions and gather as much information as possible. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make a sound financial decision. Section 6. The final verdict. It's your life, your choice. Ultimately, the decision of whether to rent or buy is deeply personal. Trust your gut, weigh the pros and cons, and seek guidance from trusted professionals. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel comfortable and secure. Whether you choose to rent or buy, make sure it's a decision that brings you joy and peace of mind. No matter what path you choose, you're on the right track.